Meaning of Flatford Mill.
Flatford Mill.
Flatford Mill.
Flatford Mill.
Flatford Mill. Flatford Mill is a watermill located in the Dedham Vale, Suffolk, England. It was made famous by the work of the landscape artist John Constable, who painted several of his most famous paintings there. The most famous of these is the Hay Wain, which depicts the mill and its surroundings in stunning detail. Today, Flatford Mill is a popular tourist destination, visited by art lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. The mill and its surroundings have been well preserved, providing visitors with a glimpse into the idyllic English countryside that inspired Constable's work.